In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively sell on Amazon while keeping the process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Selling on Amazon can be a fantastic way to introduce your products to an expansive audience, but it requires some strategic steps to get started on the right foot. First things first, you'll need to create a seller account on Amazon. This is your gateway to the marketplace, allowing you to reach millions of potential customers. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website and look for the option to sign up. You'll be required to provide some basic information about yourself and your business, so have these details ready to streamline the process. Make sure your account details are accurate, as these will be crucial for managing your sales and transactions effectively. Once your account is set up, it's time to choose a selling plan. Amazon offers two main types of plans. The individual plan, which is ideal if you're selling fewer than 40 items a month, and the professional plan, designed for more frequent sellers. Carefully evaluate your business needs and goals to determine the most suitable plan for you. The professional plan, while having a subscription fee, offers more features and lower per-item selling fees, offering more flexibility to scale your business. Next on the agenda is deciding how you want to fulfill your orders. Amazon provides two options: Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. With FBA, Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. This option can also enhance your product's visibility, as FBA items are often favored in Amazon's search results. However, if you prefer to handle these aspects yourself, or if you have specific requirements for shipping, then FBM might be the right path for you. With your account ready and selling plan chosen, it's time to list your products. Make sure your product listings are as compelling and detailed as possible. Use high-quality images and informative descriptions to accurately convey what you're selling. Pay attention to keyword optimization within your listing to improve search visibility. This means incorporating relevant terms that potential buyers might use when looking for products like yours. Finally, managing your business effectively on Amazon requires ongoing effort. Regularly monitor your sales performance and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues quickly. Staying active and responsive not only helps maintain a positive seller rating, but also fosters customer trust and loyalty. And there you have it. By following these steps, creating a seller account, choosing the right plan, deciding on fulfillment, listing your products wisely, and diligent management, you can navigate the world of Amazon selling with confidence and success. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on Amazon.